My GPU drivers are messed up. I can't install new Nvidia drivers through the software updater. When I try to record with OBS Studio, I get all black. When I try to record with Kazam, I get all black. So I need to start over with Nvidia driver. Sudo apt purge Nvidia. Sudo apt purge Nvidia. Now let's install the latest Nvidia. Sudo apt install Nvidia driver 465. No errors. Let's see if, for instance, Kazam works. Start Kazam. I'll do a window and capture. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Finish the recording. Here it is. I still have a black screen. Maybe I need to reboot. Alright, here's the bootloader. I've got Ubuntu and Windows. I'll do Ubuntu. Maybe it's just me, but it seems like Ubuntu 20.04 takes a long time to boot. Try Kazam. I'll record a terminal, do a window, select this, capture, testing, finish. Here's my newest clip. Yep, that's working. And we can try OBS Studio. OBS, start recording, testing. File, show recordings. Here's the newest one. And it's working again. I wonder if OBS Studio can record a particular window. I was having trouble with that before. I'll delete the screen capture source. And it was Chrome specifically that I was having a problem with. With OBS Studio, can I record this particular Chrome window, which is what I was having problems with before. Open OBS, new source, and we'll choose window capture. Window, YouTube, start recording, stop recording. Here's my new OBS Studio, and it still does not record the Chrome window. Settings, advanced, system, use hardware acceleration when available is off. I can turn it back on, I guess. Relaunch. We have a window capture. I'm going to get rid of that window capture. Add a window capture. If we do start recording, stop recording. Here's my new video, and it's still all black. So that's actually a good reason to keep Kazam for recording particular windows. It's easier with Kazam and probably works, but let's see. If I record can I record a particular window with Kazam? Window, select, capture, stop Kazam, get my new Kazam, and that did work. Let's see if this fixed DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve would not launch the last time. I made it this far, but then it said there was a problem with the GPU last time. I wonder if it's popped up something. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's drivers fixed Kazam, and it fixed OBS Studio, because OBS Studio was giving me a black screen. But OBS Studio recording a window that did not fix it. DaVinci Resolve